Today is September 11th, 2019, and this is kind of a practice video. I want to capture these images and put them on my second channel so I'll have them and make videos for my Funny Valentine channel. So I want to see if I can do that. So here we go. Okay, so these videos are primarily for just me, but I want to capture these images. So there's one. I want this one. This one is probably important, not so much of the numbers, but because of the imagery. This one is subtle, but it's there. The 9, the right hand up, the M, and this spooky face over here on the left. So I'm just saying. Really shouldn't even be talking through this stuff, but I am. I'm pretty sure this one matters because of the numbers and the car being under the water. I don't know about that being a real story, but it's the numbers. This one captured my attention because of the big yellow ball globe light. Not so much Nancy Pelosi, okay? I don't even want to talk about her right now. But she does have her right hand up. Now, okay, she does that a lot, so whatever. But it's this big globe, this glowing orange that I want to point out. I'm capturing this one because of the triangles. And I want to explain about what that means. Symbol for delta. And I also think this is important. These are little things, but it's subtle. Her hand to her heart, her fingers, reminds me of looking up my research about the Hamlet quote and the movie Leave Her to Heaven, the thorns in her heart or in her breast. So, I don't know. I'm just doing that for me. Okay, again, this is subtle, but it's the V and the V, the way this guy's sitting. Just like Lady Gaga symbolism, so I'm just capturing that. This one also is the big upside down Y, and the numbers on the license plate about 83, which is 811, and the water from Exalted Lamb showing us about that TV show and the tsunami, plus the 10, and I talked about that before, and Rose talked about that, and then I'm not sure about the LB and the GB. I'll have to figure that out later. Okay, it's here again, the 8 and the 3, and the 1 and the 4 is 5, and then 8 in the middle, and he's putting up his hands, his fingers on his hands, and so that's symbolism. And then there's this weird thing right here. I don't even know what that is on him, and it is this big Y for Yahoo Sports. So whatever. I just think there's stuff going on here because it keeps repeating. I don't know about this stuff. Okay, but this number is suspicious for because it keeps coming up all the time. And how that ship rolled over goes with the bus that rolled over. And I'm going to talk about that. Oops. Okay, here is numbers again. So I don't know. I just thought I'd capture this stuff. Whatever. I don't even want to talk about that stupidness. No. Okay, so we're back to that. Hold on. Okay, this one's important because of these numbers here. And make 8 and 3 again, and then the 3. That's still that 811 thing coming up. And so And then this one over here is that 9 looks like a Q and a 4. And, I don't know. I'm just saying. Okay, I wanted to capture this because it says over here has a number 3, and then it has the word SETT, which is set, and then the 2 stripes, which makes the number 11. Okay. Yeah. And then they keep showing this stuff over and over, but that's important. Okay, this is important. They keep showing this big snake captured or dead. It's kind of creepy, but there's a bunch of them, so I want to get this picture. Okay, another underwater scene reference. And Q said, watch the water. It's too tsunami stuff here. Okay, this one right here has symbolism about Oz and Y plus a face in a circle. I don't want to mess it up. I'm messing it up. Leave it here for a minute. Yeah, it's subtle, but it's also like the magic mirror thing. The slave in the magic mirror face. I know, it's subtle. I'm just pointing it out. Okay. 8.8. There's your M. 88 is a speed. Go back to the future. I think that's about the Schumann resonance stuff too. It all goes together. And the thumb up. Yeah, up. Also, we all, what? Go up. Yep. I'm messing them up. So anyway, I'm going to mute these when I show them again. But there it is.